always rely on it. Clutch like that, to be honest. It's a hydraulic clutch.
He understands how clutch works.
Yeah.
That's probably how he.
Yeah, that wasn't like the first timer. Like, oh shit. I'm having fun. Go right around. Go around? Yeah, just ride around. Where? Just follow the circle. You'll be good. Race all the way around there? No, just follow the road. All the way down there? Yeah. Yeah, just follow this road right here. Alright. How's the track today? It's prime. It's prime? Yeah. How prime? Probably about a 10 out of 10. Dude, don't get super close. They're shy or no? What's up? Hey guys. I think my knee is bleeding. Nice. Yeah, neutral. Oh, I gotta check my knee. The Ranger's gassing. Why is he going so fast? Look at him. Look at him go. Look at him go. Whoa. Oh shit, Jordan. Don't fall, please. My name's Jordan Cacciatani and I don't know how to ride.
Oh, yes. What if that nigga just goes onto the track?
Why is it bleeding?
Because I hit the Kickstarter on your bike. Look at that shit.
Why is it bleeding, sir? Oh no!
It's a little cut.
Ah! Oh shit, Jordan's going fast. Dude, did you catch me?
Oh my god!
Dion, pick up the bike! Oh fuck. The Goon bike is down. The Goon bike is down.
Got his hand.
Look at his hand.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know how to turn it off. The Goon bike is down. Look at the other side of his hand.
What other side?
That side.
Oh shit, Jordan, your elbow.
My elbow's fine.
Oh, fuck.
Your eyes.
Oh
He's in
Lord.
shock. It's adrenaline. He's not
I
gonna
know,
feel it right
I know.
now.
Lord, I'm gonna feel like 10 minutes afterwards.
Later.
Yo, okay, how come it wouldn't stop for?
Cause you kept gassing it.
No, I did. I braked. I got off. I didn't turn it anymore. I
Did
just
you
pressed
brake?
the gate. Yes, I braked.
The front brake?
No, I pressed the fucking.
That one?
Yes, down.
That's a shifter.
Not that.
The other side?
Yeah, the other side.
Oh god.
That's the
Jordan.
brake, right?
Hey, if we take him to the motor mart, will they fix him? Or no?
What do you mean?
Like, give him like, we got bandages.
And we got tape.
Come on, let's go put some
I just
water
need
on
water.
it, please.
Let's go tape it up. Let me
Come
tape
on.
you
I
up
feel
too.
hella bad.
Dude, fuck the bike.
The Goon bike is geared. Go.
Okay.
Fuck yourself.
Go.
The Goon bike.
Take this helmet.
That's so bad. Did you catch that on video?
No, because I seen him just start wobbling. I was like, oh fuck.
Andrew, that's a fucking video, dude. You got
You
blood
got
on
it?
your hand. For real. He didn't let off the gas. He did not let off the gas.
Hey, he was just trying to hold on and